No introduction needed. Regular subscribers of the channel will know this car inside out. Jason is back with us with his J's Racing built FK8 Civic Type R. Some of you are quite familiar, and for those of you who aren't already, I'll give you a quick rundown on the car. So Jason is the owner of the car, and he bought this a few years back and started off coming in initially just for a J's Racing exhaust. You can have a look at the car behind me now. He clearly got the bug. So he has gone all in on a full J's Racing catalogue, from everything that they can supply, from the front splitter to some of the dash trims to all the bits up the back as well. And the good thing with working with companies like J's Racing is they're constantly developing their products. So although we have a few J's Racing products on this car now, there are new revisions of those products coming out, and we can't wait to see how this car is going to develop over the coming years. It's going to be at loads of shows this year, so if you're around any of the UK shows, get yourself over, try and find this car, because to see this car in person is truly amazing. And just when you thought that the build was nearly complete, we've had these turn up. And what's inside the box? In addition to the coilovers this week, we're going to be fitting a set of rear toe adjusters and camber arms to allow us to get the suspension setup dialed in nicely. And for those of you that aren't subscribed, go and hit the subscribe button and get yourself up to speed on Jason's build. Before we can start dialing in the alignment, we're adjusting the ride height. Jason was looking for a subtle drop in ride height, approximately 5mm lower than the current springs that he was on. We've adjusted each corner to allow the car to sit evenly, distributing weight across all four wheels, creating balanced handling characteristics. Whilst Jason's car was in with us, we're taking the opportunity to use Honda's recent updates to optimise the car's map. Let's get the car loaded onto the dyno and see what power it makes. Whilst the car was in with us this week, we thought we'd make the most of having the time with the vehicle, and we got it onto the dyno as we've had a few new releases from Honda over the past couple of months. So Romain from Race Car was with us for the day, got the car onto the dyno and produced an amazing 394 horsepower. Very similar power delivery to what it had previously, but we've managed to smooth a few things out, so we really should notice a little bit more drivability from the car. It's fairly run-of-the-mill stuff for us this week: installation of the coilovers, camber arms, and then an alignment setup. So the car, on paper, it looks very good. It's certainly driving out of the workshop. It feels nice and tight and it feels a lot more purposeful. But we'll get it out on the road and see what the RSR J's Racing coilovers really feel like in UK conditions. So out on the road now, forgive me if I'm shouting, it's kind of noisy in here. But the initial response of the coilovers, they feel very direct. The car is poised quite nicely. The guys back at the workshop have got a great ride height set into the car, which is a great foundation for then getting the setup. So I'll slow things up for a minute, try and hear me because it's really, really noisy in here. The car initially on road test, it feels really, really good, very poised. The camber has made a big difference. For the turning that we've now got on the vehicle, it will just point and dart between corners, which for a driver is exactly what you're going to be looking for. Going forward though, on the initial part of the road test, I felt that the car was probably reacting too much to the bumps in the road, bouncing ourselves around in the car. So we've wound back the dampening force quite a lot, and we've got a big range of adjustment on these coilovers. So we can go from having them very, very soft and being nice and supple for road driving, and then being able to wind them up when it's needed on track. So all in all, first impressions of the RSR coilovers, they're pretty good. With Jason's list building up and the fact that we are a J's Racing dealer, we caught the attention of Hisaki, the president of J's Racing Japan, to come over and visit to check out Jason's car in person and experience some of the UK shows. We took him out in our FL5 around the Goodwood circuit to give him a little bit of a feel of what our FL5 was all about. Check out the link in the description below, where we've put a page together on our website dedicated to Jason's J's Racing build and all the parts that have gone into it. So if you want to get yourselves up to speed and see what's really going on underneath the hood of this car and inside, get over to the page and we'll have a full breakdown of all the parts that have come together. If you're enjoying the content from us, feel free to leave us a comment below. We love hearing your feedback and seeing what you want to see us bring into the channel. But as always, hit the subscribe button and we'll see you on the next one.